Hello guys. Today I will show you how to use Threads application. So Threads application is a new application comes from Facebook, which is Instagram also. It's an alternative to Twitter. It's pretty much the same with Twitter, but there's small differences obviously. In this application, you can go to your profile. You have profile picture. Unlike Twitter, there's no background image. There's only profile picture. You can see your nickname. You can see your name. You can edit your profile from here. You can share your profile from here. In this section, you can see your threads, which is what is tweet for this application. In this application, it's threads. You can see your threads. You can see your replies. And this little heart here, you can see the activity, replies, mentions, and verified thing, but there's no activity on my account right now, so you can't see anything. In this search icon here, you can search for users like Waz or Justin Timberlake, and you can see their threads and replies also. And here, this is your main feed, and you can see other accounts threads, and you can like them, and you can comment them, and you can repost. So here, there's two options when you repost a thread. One is repost, and other one is quote. When you repost it, it's just the same with retweet. But when you quote, you can actually type something on top of the repost. So yeah, this is one thing, and you can share with this paper plane button. You can add to your story, post to your feed. You can tweet if you want, and obviously you can share a thread like, "Hi guys, it's posting." As you can see, this is my thread. So this is how you can use Threads application. Thank you for watching.